Okay, hi. So I finally got the MOSFET for the power supply, the charger power supply of Ninebot. This is CS20N65 FA9H. So these are the MOSFETs that I need to replace. I've ordered them and now they arrived, so it's time to check it up and see if it will solve the problem or not. So let's try to find out if we have some luck with it. So yeah, they really look the same. This is the old burn one and this is the new one. So I will now try to replace it and see if it will work. So I just need to put it here in the holes and do it straight with the screw before applying any soldering, because I want it to be in the exact place that it should be. So it goes like this. This is one side and this is this other side. Now I will close it and then we'll do all the testing after it is soldered out. Okay, now it is in. You can see it here and just need to solder it. So let's do it. Okay, where is my soldering cleaner? Where is it? Can't see it right now. Never mind. We'll do some small cleaning and now let's do it. One, 2 and 3. Yeah, this is all. And hopefully just need to cut the pins of the MOSFET and that's all. Okay, what I can do now is just check that I have no short like I had before. So we will put the fluke on short test. And it looks okay. No short on capacitors. So basically all looks fine. Just need to close it and apply AC power and see if it is exploding or not. Okay, so let's close it now. Now of course don't forget to put all the isolator back. So I have isolators before the metal parts. Of course you don't want it to short anything, and there was a soldering contact on the bottom, and just after I'm sure that I've done everything correctly, now I will try to power it up and see what we get. Okay, so here is the real test. we have a LED here, and I hope it will not explode. And even if it will, nothing will happen because it is all closed, and we have a fuse and protection and everything. So unfortunately it did explode when I connected it to power. There was a boom. And sometimes this is what happens. I'm just curious to see. Probably we have the same part explode. So we have something wrong with the driver. Okay, so this time it did not work. It smells like it is explode. So anyway, probably some of the driver are totally dead, and there is nothing I can do. But sometimes this is what you have. But you need very carefully to do everything and do all the changes. Sometimes you have luck, sometimes you don't. That's all for now. Thank you and bye, folks.